Parang na-dominate na ng babae, ang mundo. Okay, that's right. Okay. As institution, we hold a powerful responsibility to create a space where women are valued, protected, and given equal opportunities. So yan yung nasa sa loob ng RA 9710, Magna Carta for Women. Kailangan bigyan ng halaga ang mga kababaihan. It's high time to give importance to us, women. As I observe, karamihan sa mga faculty ng LRCS ay babae. Yes. Na, ilan yung lalaki? Dalawa. My God, talagang